Which book would you like for yourself as your book of good deeds when you meet Allah? This big one or this little one? In order to be truly successful in this life and the next, we need to add as many good deeds as possible to our scale of deeds. Well, today I'm going to give you a unique opportunity to do just that. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, when a person dies, all their deeds end, except for three: a continuing charity, beneficial knowledge, and a child who prays for them. The International Open University, IOU, has been changing thousands and thousands of lives for the better for over a decade, and we invite the Ummah to share in our barakah. We welcome your assistance by helping us to open and run new learning centers for poor scholarship students in Africa, as well as other developing countries around the world, such as Fiji, Indonesia, Bangladesh, and Papua New Guinea. By supporting IOU's Learning Centers campaign, you will continue to earn the amazing rewards of a Sadaqah Jariyah, continuing charity, on your scale of good deeds until you meet Allah Almighty. This Ramadan, we are hoping to raise $200,000 to cover the setup and operational costs for new and existing centers for a year. So we are now offering a golden opportunity to 2,000 special people chosen by Allah to earn, along with us, the great rewards of Sadaqah Jariyah by giving only $100 each. So my brothers and sisters, give in charity today by investing in this worthy project and earn the tremendous benefits of continuous charity. Rewards until the day of judgment. Furthermore, every little bit of knowledge these students learn, implement, and go on to teach, we will also be rewarded, inshallah. Jazakumullahu khairan. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
صباحي مصفد بمسايا فاسكب ضياءك